Need to split a PDF into multiple PDFs? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to split a PDF, I will use a free online tool, as most computers don't have a built-in feature. I will open my web browser and search for Split PDF Online, then choose a popular and trusted website from the results. I will choose the service I Love PDF, as that is a very trusted site. The interface is very clean and prompts me to select a file. I will click on the large red button that says Select PDF File. My computer's File Explorer opens up. I will navigate to the folder where I have my sample PDF, which is a 100-page document, and I will select it and click Open. The website will now upload my document. Once uploaded, I can see the splitting options on the right-hand side of the screen. I have two main modes: range, pages, and size. Let's explore split by range first. This mode is perfect if you want to divide a long document into several smaller logical parts. For example, if you have a 100-page book, you could create a range for Chapter 1, pages 1 to 25, another from pages 26 to 35, and so on. At the bottom, there is a very useful checkbox. Merge all extracted pages into one PDF file. If I leave this checked, I Love PDF will create a single new PDF file containing only the range I created. The more common scenario, however, is wanting to extract only a few specific pages. For that, I will switch to the Pages mode. In this mode, I can choose to either extract all pages into individual PDF files, or, more usefully, select only the pages I want. Now that I've made my selection, I will click on the large red button at the bottom, Split PDF. The service will process my request for a few seconds, and it's done. The website now presents me with a Download Split PDF button. I will click on it. My computer has now downloaded a new PDF file. I will open it to check the result. And perfect. The new document has exactly what I need. And that's how you split a PDF into more PDFs using a simple and free online tool. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.